Hi and welcome back. This is the third and last part on converting a website into a PWA. In this video I will show you how to optimize the PWA and how to install the app. I start where I left off in part 2 of this series. We already have a fully functioning PWA. Open the page in the browser and go to Lighthouse. Here I create a PWA report. Under the third heading called PWA Optimized, there are 5 items that need to be rectified. The first item is a redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. PWAs only work on trusted connections, you have to serve them over a secure connection. This is not only for security reasons, but it's also a very important trust factor for users. The exception is when the site is served from the local host. When the site is uploaded and the remote host has the redirection activated, this item will turn green. The next item requires a link to a PNG file of at least 512 pixels to be placed in the manifest. I make use of the 512 by 512 pixel image that I used when I created the manifest. Then comes the theme color. We did specify the theme color in the manifest. The problem is that, at this point in time, this is recognized by Android devices only. For other devices and browsers, we need to place the theme color in the head section of the document. Down the list, we see that I have not added an Apple Touch icon. When iOS Safari users add progressive web apps to their home screens, the icon that appears is called the Apple Touch icon. You can specify what icon your app should use by including a link in the head of the page. If the page doesn't have this link tag, iOS generates an icon by taking a screenshot of the page content. The last item requires a maskable icon. Maskable icons is a new icon format that ensures that the PWA icon looks great on all Android devices. On newer Android devices, PWA icons that don't follow the maskable icon format are given a white background. We will make the 512 pixel image maskable in the manifest. To recap, in the page I need to add iOS support, and in the manifest I need to add a link to a 512 pixel image and make it maskable. Let's do it. First copy the code below. Then open the index page in code view and paste the code in the head section. Do the same for all other pages. When done, open the web manifest. Scroll down to the bottom. Copy the last item. Add a comma. Then paste the copied item. The image name needs to be changed. To make sure that I have the right name, I go to the Assets folder and hover over the image. I memorize the name, Aardvark 512, and change the name in the manifest. The size is changed to 512. Add a comma and on the next line, add the purpose property. Set the value of purpose to any maskable. Save the file. To see the result, create another report. Here we see that the one item still needs attention. As explained before, this can only be solved when the site is hosted on a remote. Now let's install the app. Close the developer panel and click on the 3 dots, top right hand corner. 3/4 of the way down, I see the word install followed by the name of the app. Click on install and, in the pop-up, click install again. This is the app. If I go to the apps tab, I see that the app has been added. The app is also added on the desktop. What the install operation has done is called add to home screen. This is known as A2HS. A2HS is thought to be part of the progressive web app philosophy, giving web apps the same user experience advantages as native apps so they can compete in today's ecosystem wars. Part of this is the simple gesture of accessing an app by tapping its icon on your home screen, and then having it appear neatly in its own window. A2HS makes this possible. To see which browsers have the feature, go to canuse.com/webappmanifest. Here we see that 86% of browsers have the full or part feature. For more on A2HS, go to MDN Web Docs. To summarize, to create a PWA, you require a secure connect, a service worker and a web manifest. That's all? My name is Ben Plessier. And as usual I will leave important links below. I hope this has been of benefit.